with eariler.com. Puerto Rico, exploring beyond the shore.
Sean and Jenny are still searching for a home in Franklin, Tennessee, just south of Nashville. It's a seller's market, but even so, they've managed to see one house they like that's in their price range. So far, Jenny and Sean have seen a 3-bedroom house in a new development called McKay's Mill. With its open floor plan, modern kitchen, and big rooms, it's very family-friendly. But Jenny had a problem with the wall-to-wall carpeting and the open playroom, and at $270,000 is going to take almost every penny they have. Since the Coles like the McKay's Mill development, Mickey wants to show them another house in the neighborhood that's a little more affordable.